Well, here it is. 2 years in the making. Thank you, Limited Run. Let's take a look at this. Thanks for choosing Limited Run Games. Should you need any help with your order, contact us at limitedrungames.com support. I do have a problem, Limited Run Games. I waited 2 years. 2 years for this. I think this was in production turmoil, and they didn't ship my other stuff that I bought with this until this shipped, even though the other thing, which is going to be my next video, was already ready a year prior. So, without further ado, this is what it is. It's beautiful. It sure is nice. Now, I paid extra for this cover case. A whole like $15 extra for a piece of plastic that's literally like, these things cost like 25 cents. So Limited Run, you kind of, maybe you want to, I thought this was a harder plastic. I mean, you can, that's disappointing. Way overpriced for that. But let's take a look at what we got. Now this is what the original box looked like, which, oh man, if you wanted to get like the discs or even the floppy discs, you're seeing the original boxes online for maybe, even just a box for like $100. I mean, if you're on a good day, maybe a couple $100 it costs. But it looks great. It hits all the nostalgia fields. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. And here it is. So, what is it that you get? This is awesome. This is a, I think you could actually heat this up in the microwave. If you guys haven't played Day of the Tentacle, spoiler alert, you freeze the hamster, okay, and to preserve him in the future. So what you do is when you take him out of the refrigerator, he's ice, he's in an ice cube, and you put him in the microwave in the future, and you unthaw him. This is cool. This is really nice. And about the size of a hamster. I can't stand hamsters. They are probably one of the worst pets you'll ever have. And then, I know that, let's see here. This is great. Purple Tentacle. So this is where the game is in, it's actually a USB drive, where the game is actually on this. Because there is no actual CD of the game aside from it being in Purple Tentacle. So that's really cool, along with Purple Tentacle. What else do we have? Oh yes, I forgot about this. The fake barf. Oh man, when the game starts, immediately you see vomit on the ceiling. It's you use it to help solve one of the final puzzles in the game, and you go upstairs in the third bedroom, and you kick over a speaker and you play music. That's where you meet Green Tentacle, and the music vibrations will get this off of the ceiling. So this is really cool. These, like both the hamster and this is super, super cool. One of the reasons why I bought it. So there is a physical disc of the music, and I actually really love the music in this game. It's fantastic. So this is really cool. Glad to have this, some sort of physical media, right? I appreciate this. I'd prefer the game to actually be on a disc, but you know, this will suffice. I don't mind this at all. And, oh yes, this is great. When you beat the game, another spoiler alert, the part of the game is you get Ben Franklin's wife to remake the American flag. And what does the American flag look like? Well, you have to disguise one of the characters as a tentacle to compete in a tentacle competition. And this is awesome. This is super, another thing that's super, super cool. She sticks her head out of the top here, and she walks around and competes in a, the tentacles are so stupid. They think she's a female tentacle. This is great. I love this. Another fun thing to have. This waves in the background in the end credits at the end of the game. So this is super, super cool too. And finally, we have a poster, which honestly I would end up framing. Probably end up framing this if I decide, or maybe if I'm at a gaming convention and some of the people who worked on the game are there, they can sign this. Take on the world. This is cool. This is really great. It's a double-sided, I believe, right? See here. Yep, classic day. Hoagie. I love Hoagie. Bernard's great too. They're all freaking great characters, and I love this mansion. But this is really cool. Yep, that's great. Let's package this all back in. Well, so there you have it. The limited run Day of the Tentacle Special Edition for PC, I should point out. I love it. I think it's great. It wasn't that expensive. I think I paid maybe $80 for it. But I'll tell you this, limited run, not that you're ever going to see this, you guys should really not charge so much for these little plastic covers, man. You guys know you're spending not even 50 cents on these. You should give us a little bit of a break. But otherwise, there you have it. If you guys have not played Day of the Tentacle, one of my favorite games of all time, highly, highly recommend it. Point and click adventure game, one of the best ever to do it. If you like these videos, if you like these unboxings, please like and subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate the positivity that floats around every once in a while there in the comments. Stay tuned. I have another unboxing from another limited run games purchase, which I will attach to this video after it's uploaded.